33 Best Teamwork Quotes for Work to Become More Productive. Nothing can replace the value of teamwork. Teamwork builds strong relationships among employees. The closer the employees work to each other, the more they can get to know each other's problems and help each other. No one person can do any work alone. If each work is divided among a team, then the work will be completed easily. Here are some inspirational teamwork quotes for work that will help you to make a team to do any type of work easily and become more productive. You can also read some inspirational team motivation quotes for kids. Best teamwork quotes to inspire you at work. 1. Great things in business are never done by one person, they are done by a team of people. Steve Jobs. 2. Be fast, be first, but never be alone. Nothing can replace the value of teamwork. Farshad ASL. 3. Leading a high-performance team can be both challenging and rewarding. Oscar Alakais. 4. You will never get the best out of anyone professionally unless you understand what motivates and makes them tick personally, as a human being. Rashid Ogunlaru. 5. Teamwork is not just working with each other, it is trusting each other. Amit Kalantri. 6. Surround yourself with people who are brilliant at what they do, who share your vision, and who are brave enough to disagree with you. And put your trust in them. Oscar Alakais. 7. There are no miracles in life, only teamwork, survival, and perseverance. Ross Eberly. 8. There is no need to tell someone how to do his job if you have properly trained your team. Dick Winters. 9. Keep an eye on the idiot in your team. If you don't see one, it's you. Amit Kalantri. 10. Teams have to eliminate ambiguity and interpretation when it comes to success. Patrick Lencioni. 11. Never quit or give up on your teammates, because they will give up and quit on you. Alcurtis Turner. Best teamwork quotes for the office work. 12. Teamwork, amazing outcome. Leila Gifty Akita. 13. Teamwork is the best ever investment. If I make 3 and you make 5, together we will not make 8. We will make 15. Leaders build active teams. Israel Moore Ivor. 14. Entrepreneurs don't keep more friends, they keep the real army. Anuj Jasani. 15. A great team consists of great people who believe in the idea of its leader and align themselves with it until it is achieved. Ayazuddin. 16. Team collaboration comes when the internal competition has gone. Mario Muraphy. 17. Ants are successful creatures. They are successful because they know very well that the mind of the team is superior to the mind of the individual. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 18. If your actions aren't advancing your goals, stop and ask why. Oscar Alakais. 19. It's not the quality of the man, it's the quality of the team. Garth Stein. 20. A team is not a group of people who work together. A team is a group of people who trust each other. Simon Sinek. 21. A man needs a team in order to reach God's goal. Sunday Adalaja. 22. Just like the cast of a great movie and the career of great athletes, few success stories are a one-man show. Build your team and grow. Rashid Ogunlaru. 23. Successful business based on successful team. Sunil Gadwani. Inspirational teamwork quotes for employees for work motivation. Leadership is not about your ambition. It is about bringing out the ambitions of your team. Cheryl A. Batchelder. 25. A team is a reflection of its leader. Sunday Adalaja. 26. Leaders are those creative team players amongst us who are persevering, strategic, and maintain a desire to be continual learners. Germany Kent. 27. Teamwork is the best kind of work, really. Sigrid. 28. Teamwork is a strategic decision. Patrick Linchoni. 29. I'm a true believer in the strength of teamwork and in the power of dreams. Julie Payette. 30. Teamwork makes the dream work, but a vision becomes a nightmare when the leader has a big dream and a bad team. John C. Maxwell. 31. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. Michael Jordan. 32. On or off the field, practice and teamwork are the keys to success. Malcolm Jenkins. 33. We're trying to give a young man life lessons, sacrifice, commitment, teamwork, self-confidence, and self-esteem. That's what this sport does for kids. Bill Cowher.